Muli nagbitaw ng radio challenge ang Philippine Coast Guard nang mamataan ang barko ng China Coast Guard sa coastline ng Zambales. Nakatutok si Nico Wahe.
Matapos mamataan noong January 9, muling pumasok sa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Vessel 3304 ng China Coast Guard. Namataan ito 70 to 80 nautical miles mula sa coastline ng Zambales. Ni-radio challenge ito ng mga PCG personnel na sakay ng BRP Teresa Magbanwa na nagpapatrolya sa lugar.
You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone.
Ayon sa Philippine Coast Guard, dalawang bagay raw ang nakikita nilang dahilan kung bakit sunod-sunod ang iligal na paglalayag ng China sa Zambales.
We believe that this is a way for the Chinese Coast Guard to drive away the Filipino fishermen. They wanted to break the confidence ng ating mga kababayan. Dahil alam naman natin na kapag mas maraming civilian na mangingisdang Pilipino na pumupunta dito sa West Philippine Sea, it is actually a headache for the Chinese government.
Pangalawa, gusto raw i-normalize at i-legitimize ng China ang kanilang deployment sa bahagi ng karagatan ng Zambales.
So they wanted to make it appear na parang this is the new normal. This is an altered status quo. So our role now on the part of the Philippine Coast Guard is to challenge this kind of behavior of China para hindi sila magwagi sa narrative nila.
Ang maritime law expert na si Dr. J. Batombakal, tinawag itong isang palabas ng China.
Sabi nga ng iba, nananadya yun. That is the way by which China is trying to make it appear that they are exercising authority and jurisdiction in that area. So palabas yun.
Pero sapat naman daw ang mga ginagawang hakbang ng Pilipinas sa pagtaboy at pagprotesta laban sa China.
So as long as they're not doing anything more than just sailing through, then the most we can do is simply watch and wait. And if they make it appear nga, if they make a statement or undertake an activity which tries to show that they're exercising jurisdiction, then our response will be that we do not recognize any such exercises of jurisdiction.
Tama rin daw nalawakan ng defense cooperation ng Pilipinas kasama ang ibang bansa gaya ng Japan, Australia, South Korea at Taiwan. Wala pang bagong sagot dito ang Chinese Embassy. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Nico Wahe, nakatutok 24 oras.